Hey, kids, come here. Guess what we're going to do?
What?
We're going to talk about fractions.
Oh, no.
No, please don't slide. No! Don't slide, no! I have to stop these kids from sliding.
Hello, boys and girls. My name is Miss Carrie, and I will be helping you stop the summer slide. What's a summer slide? In the summer, sometimes children slide from their A's and B's to lower grades. So I want to help you stop that today by teaching you about fractions. I also want to thank your Residence Services Coordinator, Miss Barbara Waller, for inviting me to help you succeed. Let's get started. Fractions. Fractions are parts to whole. The number on the top is part of the number on the bottom, which is the whole, and we have a divider in the middle. So if you've ever seen this sign, a division bar, that's what a fraction is. Today we're going to divide the part into the whole number. So if I have one part of two pieces, that is called 1/2. In order for me to change this fraction into a decimal, I must divide the denominator by the numerator. So I'm going to draw my division bar, put my denominator outside, and in order to divide it, I will put my numerator inside. But 2 doesn't go into 1, so I have to add a decimal and at least 2 zeros. So let's get started. Since 2 can't go into 1, we have to divide 2 into 10. How many times does 2 go into 10? Let's count by 2's. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 5 times. Multiply 2 times 5 and we get 10. Bring down the extra 0. How many times can 2 go into 0? None. We have a decimal here that must be brought straight up and placed in front of our answer. So our decimal for 1/2 is 0.50. Now we're going to take this same decimal and turn it into a fraction. For our decimal to be turned into a percent, move the decimal 2 places to the right, which is the same as multiplying by 100. So once I move my decimal 2 places to the right, I get 50%. So 0.50 is the same as 50%, which is the same as 1/2. Okay, boys and girls, let's have you try one on your own. Let's do 1 out of 4. That will be written as 1/4. So, let's try 1/4. That's 1 part out of 4 whole parts. In order to change this fraction to a decimal, we must divide 4 into 1. Don't forget to add your decimal and your 2 zeros. Since 4 cannot go into 1, we have to make 4 go into 10. 4 goes into 10 2 times. 4 times 2 is 8. When we subtract 10 minus 8, we get 2 and bring down your 0. How many times will 4 go into 20? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 5 times. And 4 times 5 is 20. So we are finished. Don't forget to bring your decimal straight up. So the decimal form of 1/4 is 0.25. Do you remember how to change the decimal into a percent? Move the decimal 2 places to the right. So 0.25, after I move the decimal 2 places to the right, becomes 25%. Okay, let's do a review of fractions, decimals, and percents. Don't forget, a fraction is part to whole. So in order to change a fraction, 1 part out of 5 wholes, we must divide our denominator into our numerator. Since 5 can't go into 1, what do? That is correct. Add a decimal and at least 2 zeros. 5 goes into 10 twice. 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract. Bring down the other 0, and 5 goes into 0 0 times. Don't forget your decimal. So here is our fraction. Here is our decimal. And in order to change this decimal to a percent, move the decimal 2 times to the right. 1, 2. 20% is our percent. Don't slide this summer. Have a great summer, everybody. Bye-bye.